Flushing a water heater annually keeps your system running efficiently, reduces energy use, and helps you avoid costly repairs. Here's what that annual flush really does for the tank and why it matters. Sediment from minerals and debris settles at the bottom of the tank, creating an insulating layer that forces the burner or elements to work harder, which drives up energy use and shortens the life of the heater. An annual flush removes that layer, restores heat transfer, and stabilizes water temperature so showers stay consistent. To do it safely, turn off power at the breaker for electric units or set the gas control to pilot for gas units, then close the cold supply valve. Attach a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom. Run the hose to a floor drain or outside. Open a nearby hot water tap to relieve vacuum. Then open the drain valve until the water runs clear. Finish by briefly opening the cold supply to stir up any remaining sediment. Drain again until clear. Close the valves. Remove the hose, restore power or gas, and check for leaks. If you have very hard water, add a mid-year mini flush where you drain a few gallons to keep buildup in check. For tankless units, annual descaling with food-grade white vinegar through the service ports helps dissolve mineral film and maintain heat exchanger efficiency. The most common mistake is skipping safety steps, like failing to shut off power or not opening a hot tap, which can damage heating elements or create a vacuum lock. Slow down and follow a simple checklist before opening the drain. Another issue is a clogged or stuck drain valve that barely trickles. If the valve is blocked by sediment, gently probe with a small stiff wire after turning off water and power, or use a wet-dry vacuum at the drain port to pull out debris, and consider replacing a worn valve with a full port brass valve. People often forget to inspect the anode rod, which protects the tank from corrosion. Every 2 to 3 years, remove and check the rod, and replace it when more than half is gone, or it is coated with calcium, and consider a powered anode if odors or aggressive water are recurring problems. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find local contractors who understand water heater maintenance and can perform a proper flush or inspection. We also help contractors showcase their work and connect with new customers. And we host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips, compare experiences, and answer practical plumbing questions.